Hi, it's Imran from Car Sounds Secure in East London. Just finished doing a complete transformation of Mercedes Vito 2017, the factory stereo. So we've removed all the factory stereo, and you can see this lovely Tesla style screen we've just fitted. Fits really neatly in there. You get a couple of USBs which we've just put in this cubbyhole here, so you can have all your USB music playing. You've also got you can get Apple CarPlay. It's Android Auto as well. The screen itself is basically a completely massive tablet. It will give you Bluetooth, standard radio, Bluetooth, navigation, your music, so you can plug your phone in or through USB settings, and you've got all your apps you can download as well on there as well. It also gives you all your car information as well, like you can see the doors are open at the moment, your revs when you start the vehicle up as well, yeah, pick up a phone and drop call, volume, everything's literally.
Please plan ahead and still travel outside the business.
Looks really nice, fits in really nice, transforms the dash of the car, as you can see, or the vehicle van, as you can see. So new product we've been fitting, really popular with the vehicles. We do some for some cars as well. So if it's something that interests you, then get in contact with us to the details below. Please, thanks for watching our YouTube channel or video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.